Welcome to Sewing Bites. Today we have the Kenmore 117.59. That's the model number right there. And this is a really nice machine. It's straight stitch only. Right here you have your stitch length. This one controls the length of your back stitch, which is pretty interesting. You have a light right here. We put an LED in this one so it's very bright. Your bobbin winding mechanism is right here. And this machine threads mostly on the side of the machine, so on the faceplate. So let's get down to it. Oh, here's your bobbin case. So that's your bobbin case. These are the bobbins that it takes. And so now we are going to wind a bobbin, and then we'll thread up the machine. All right, to wind a bobbin, we're going to put our thread on the spool pin right here. Then we're going to go through this thread guide. You can see the notch right there. So you're going to make sure your thread gets into that notch like that. And then we're going to come up to here. So from here, we're going to take our thread and you're going to go just like modern day bobbins. You're going to take the end of your thread. You're going to go into this hole from the center of the bobbin like that. You're going to put your bobbin onto the bobbin winding spindle and push this lever right here. That engages your bobbin winder. And the machine is on. Oh, you can also, this one has a release clutch, so if you hold on to the silver part and turn the outer part, that's going to stop the needle from going up and down. I know on this machine it doesn't fully stop the needle for some reason. And then you wind. It stops automatically, so kind of cool. And then you're gonna take your bobbin off. Cut your thread and get it ready for the bobbin case. After you've wound a bobbin, make sure you retighten your clutch. So hang on to the silver and turn it backwards till it's nice and tight. So the outer part goes clockwise and hang on to the silver part. Then when it's nice and tight, your needle will go up and down again. So you're gonna put the bobbin in so that if you pull the thread, the bobbin turns clockwise. So take your bobbin case, put the bobbin in there, locate that groove right there. You're gonna bring and put your finger on the bobbin so it doesn't keep spinning. You're gonna bring the thread into that groove, and then it needs to come through the spring. So look at your bobbin case. It has a opening right there, right here. That's where you're gonna bring your thread. So bring it down and then, oops. So into that spring and then pull it up into the tension spring right there. All right, to put the bobbin case into the machine, we're gonna pull up on the cover plate, and you'll see this lever right here. That's your release for your bobbin case. So if your machine is in a cabinet, usually these were in a cabinet, so it's easier to push this and access your bobbin case too. So let's see if I can do this without getting my hands too much in the shot. Hands are going to be in the shot. So all you're going to do, put the bobbin case onto the spindle right there and push. And there you go. So just make sure that this latch is covering your bobbin case. I mean, your bobbin case is going to fall out if it's not covering it, so as long as it's like that, you're good. To take the bobbin case out, you're going to push on this latch, and then I'm going to use my tweezers to pull the bobbin case out because I got big hands. And that's all you do. All right, so we're going to put our bobbin case back in the machine. And then we're ready. Just to put your cover back on, like just line this up under here and push. And it snaps into place. All right, to thread the machine, we're going to put our spool of thread on the spool pin. Then we're going to come to this thread guide here. For this thread guide, all you need to do is bring the thread forward and pull it back, and it goes right into place. So I'll give you a close-up of that. All right, so here's a close-up of that. So bring it forward under there and pull. And that's all you do. Make sure it's in there nice and straight. Then we're gonna go move to the side of the machine. From this thread guide, we're gonna come under here, and that's gonna get you into where your check spring is. So you're gonna come straight down, around, and crisscross it. So your check spring needs to bounce. Just make sure it's like that. So it's like down, around, then you're gonna come to your take-up lever. Your take-up lever has a notch for you to get into. So you're just gonna slide it back and forward. You can see it a little better from this angle. So if we were coming from our check spring, it's in and down. Then we're gonna go to our needle. This needle clamp thread guide is back there. So you're gonna thread it like that. And then this machine, you're gonna thread the needle left to right. So when you install your needle, make sure that you have your the long groove of the needle should be facing left. And the scarf, the little cutout in the needle, should be facing into the machine. And then you're gonna thread your needle like that. All right, so a presser foot lifter is in back. Right here. Put the fabric under there. And I gotta warn you, this machine kind of sounds like a lawnmower. So here we go. There, let me turn this light off. There we go. The LED in this machine is really bright. But there you go. It's a beautiful stitch. I really like this machine. It's super heavy too, like holy cow. All right, so let me show you the motor. All right, here's the motor. This one has the original motor on it. Very cool. And it runs the machine with a pulley, not a belt. So that's interesting. And then the cord plugs in right here. And that's your 723 cord. This one doesn't want to stay in all the time. So I think our tech is going to have to look at that. Anyway, there you go. This is a really nice machine. I like this machine so much. It's one of our customers' machine. So she is going to love it because this thing will last forever. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching Sewing Bites. Give this video a thumbs up or a like, subscribe, and thank you. Have a great day.